Hello learners, myself Dr. Sachin Bhaskar Narkede from Srimati BNB Swaminarayan Pharmacy College, Salwa Vapi. Today we are going to discuss on topic of introduction to pharmacognosy. The word pharmacognosy obtained from two Greek words. A pharmakon means a drug and gignosko means to acquire knowledge. Cognosco, it is the Latin term, means of to know about. All these words combine together to form a cognosy word. A definition of pharmacognosy. Pharmacognosy is scientific systematic study of physical, chemical, structural characters and uses of crude drug, along with history, distribution, cultivation, collection, processing for market, and preservation. Sources of crude drug obtained from plant, animal, marine, and mineral. Plant is the major sources of crude drug. Pharmacognosy is related with botany, ethnobotany, marine biology, microbiology, herbal medicine, chemistry, nothing but phytochemistry, pharmacology, and pharmaceutics. Types of crude drug. It is organized crude drug. It contains of cellular part of the plant, which is organ of the plant. For example, leaf, fruit, flower, stem, bark, root, etc. Unorganized crude drug, it is a cellular part of the plant, which example of gum, resin, exudates, extracts, etc. Crude drug can be classified as alphabetical, taxonomic, that is botanical classification, morphological classification on basis of organized drug and unorganized drug, pharmacological classification or we call it as a therapeutic classification, chemical classification on basis of its chemical constituents. Why do we need the plants? As a source of drug molecule. Most of the drugs can be synthesized, still more economical to use of the plant. Example, papaver opium contains morphine or codeine, which used in acute severe pain and chronic pain, and also used as a narcotic. Ergot or contains of ergotamine used in migraine, headache, also contain ergometrin, which is direct action of uterine muscle. Natural drug future. 80% of the population which is rely on the natural remedies. So westernization of societies, they nowadays adopting of traditional knowledge, extermination of species, that is conservation of rare species, retaining of its gene pool, natural resources exhausted, so need of the cultivation or artificial propagation. Conclusion. Natural products very important to medicine, exist in range of structures that one would think of synthesizing, can act as templates for new drug development, untapped reservoir of new compounds. Thank you all. Thanks for listening. And do subscribe my video and share.